Hello and welcome to FIT2BOX channel. Please like and subscribe and don't forget to jab that notifications bell for all my latest uploads. Recently I have passed 15,000 subscribers and I do want to say to you all, thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. Please spread the FIT2BOX channel word. Today I've got a pair of gloves, a pair of Velcro gloves by the French company Rockkick. I did a review of the brown gloves behind me and they went into the lace-up FIT2BOX heavyweight division for gloves between 201 English pounds and 400 English pounds. So they were the top end when it comes to the price of that division. These are the Velcro version, and the Velcro version are actually a slightly higher in price. So these go into the FIT2BOX super heavyweight division for gloves 401 English pounds and above. So let me get these gloves out for you. I sort of said to Patrice Guicheur, who is the owner and the creator of these gloves, that he should do a pair in French colours, and that's why he's done these red, blue and silver gloves here in the Velcro. As you know from my previous review of the brown gloves, I was really impressed with what they have done, and they shot into the pound for pound, the FIT2BOX pound for pound top 10 list, because they are that good. I really like the fact that he hasn't copied other gloves. He has literally created a glove that is very Rockkick, and I applaud him for that. So here, let's go through the full details of these gloves. So Rockkick Velcro gloves, handmade in France by Patrice Guicheur, the owner and creator of Rockkick, and these are made in 3 to 4 weeks, custom made to your specifications. They are made from a Spanish leather, and that is resistant and flexible. That knuckle area there is very thick. If you can see how thick that is, a very thick foam knuckle. 6 layers. In there is open cell and closed cell foam, and you can see that there is a very wide punch surface as well. This was a little firm at first, but it does soften with use. Let's just bring you around so you can see the wrist. So as you can see, you've got the stitching there, which is in red. You've got the silver stitching on the rear of that Velcro. And let me just bring that Velcro so you can see the entire Velcro there and how it is attached. And then let me just show you from the other side. And I do like it's got that embossing there on that Velcro, and it's a nice Velcro also here that it attaches to. As I bring that round and show you the inside of the glove, and you can see that really thick padding at the rear of the wrist. Okay, that is huge in comparison to most boxing gloves. You can see there you've got the French flag, you can see inside, and that is an antibacterial lining to prevent smell from sweat buildup. And then while we're there, let's have a look at the stitching as well. Really lovely made gloves. And these gloves are 415 UK pounds. Let me just lift that up. 415 UK pounds. That's 515 US dollars. and it's free worldwide delivery as well. They come in 8 ounce, 10 ounce, 12 ounce, 14 ounce and 16 ounce, and they also come in lace up or Velcro. These are the 16 ounce Velcro, and with these I have weighed them. The left is 17 ounce, the right is 17 ounce, so that is perfect for a 16 ounce glove that is a Velcro. Of course, the 16 ounce glove needs to be 16 ounce prior to the lace or the Velcro, and you would expect with a Velcro for it to weigh 1 ounce, no problem. So that's exactly the same as what I weighed my winning gloves as well. So the left and the right both come out at exactly 17 ounce, so they also balance as well as being perfect in weight. As I bring that round there, you've got a thick grip bar, okay. You have got a large hole at the front there. You haven't got any ventilation holes in the front, so perhaps it could benefit by some ventilation holes, but you can open the hand fine, and I didn't find it a particularly hot glove on the hand when I was using it. And then just to bring the other one in as well so you can see that. Again, beautifully made, and I really like it in these colours. I've used them a lot, and obviously the badge is held up very, very well. Let's bring that round as well. And I like what he's done with those French colours, the blue, red, and he's put silver there instead of white, but I like that touch of what he's done. So I have used these gloves a tremendous amount. When I first used them in the right glove in the knuckle area, I did feel that it was a little hard on the knuckles, and so I wanted to sort of break that down, and as a result of me breaking the gloves in for a longer period, I have actually tested these probably 3 times as much as I would for a normal glove. I can tell you that it has softened. It's still a very thick strike surface, but it has softened on the inside, and now I love using these. I have used these a tremendous amount. Let me put them on for you. Very comfortable they are. They're comfortable there. This almost feels like a neoprene pad at the front there. At the back you can feel the padding at the rear of your fingertips and on that first finger knuckle. The thumb is very comfortable, a little tight there, but nothing too bad. It certainly didn't give me any uncomfortableness when I was actually using them. And then obviously you've got that thick knuckle padding there as well. You can open the hand up fine also. For how thick the padding is at the rear and there, the front of the glove is relatively thin in comparison. Okay, so I have fed back to Patrice to say I think this at the back here may, especially at the back of that there, may benefit from being a little bit thinner, and he's going to have a look at that. So I look forward to seeing that. Let me try the left glove on as well. Now these of course are handmade in France by Patrice. They take, if you order some, they take 3 to 4 weeks to come through, and you can choose from a range of colours when it comes to your customization. This one, again, exactly the same, very comfortable in the thumb area, the behind the fingers, the finger pad, knuckle, very nice, and that sort of thick padding at the rear of the Velcro means that you have got sort of that stiff, when it comes to the punching, you have got that stiff alignment at the rear of the glove. That means that when you're, especially on the bag, you're not going to flex up, it is going to stay where it is. So when it comes to sort of the punch surface, really nice, great protection in that knuckle area. Let's get on to the screen, the FIT2BOX ratings card. So I've gone for style 95, comfort 95, durability 95, sparring 96. That large padded knuckle area would be great for people with heavy hitters, and also people if you've got any hand injuries, that would be great for protection. On the bag, I really like them on the bag. You can get some real good pop on the bag with these gloves. Value for money at 415 UK pounds. Tips it into the FIT2BOX super heavyweight Velcro division, and value for money 94, and so a total of 95.0. So that means that these gloves slot into the FIT2BOX super heavyweight division, and they also, like the lace-up version, do make it into my pound for pound top 10 list. So check those out on my website, FIT2BOXchannel.com, where you can see exactly where these gloves rank, both in the super heavyweight division for gloves above 401 pounds, and also for that overall pound for pound list, which is all gloves of all prices, Velcro and lace. So let me just give you one last little look here of these custom gloves. I really do like that signature on there as well, and I've been very, very impressed by these gloves when I've been using them. They're also producing some fight gloves as well, which they're going to be sending to the British Boxing Board of Control to get them sanctioned. So I think that this company has got a very bright future. If you are looking, I said this on the first video, I'll say it again, if you are looking for a really nice handmade glove that not many other people currently will have, then Rockkick is a great choice for you. They are superb, they are pretty unique, there's not many people going to be having these out there, and yeah, they're putting their own slant on boxing gloves, which I really, really like. So check out Rockkick, I'll put all the links in the description, but you know, first two gloves that they have sent through to me for scoring, the lace-up and the Velcro, and both gloves have got into the FIT2BOX pound for pound top 10. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like and subscribe to FIT2BOX channel, and I shall speak to you soon.